project. Yeah, yo. I needed to blow like yesterday. Riding on the interstate, my whip starts to shake. My gears don't wanna chase. Shit done hit the fan, now my life is on the line. I'm backed up in the corner, sending bullets for my nine. Look me in my eyes, and know I still fight the struggle. Many different ways to hustle, finding out it's all a puzzle. Yo. Yeah, you know that shit is crazy. How you really get to a place and you feel. How you feel a certain way, that thing that's bananas.
He had too much rhythm.
Getting high inside cold just cause life's a bitch. You can't blame me, I'm only trying to do right. Every time you gaining some ground, you moving back twice. Folks thought I was playing and they never thought I'd get nice. Give it to you smooth on the midnight. Moon shining, blinding me as I'm tripping off the shrooms I eat. Push to the edge of deep. Real talk.
I knew something special about it.
I need the help, so I lit it up. Thoughts I write them up, in search of love, and I'm hideous, so it's kinda hard. Hit the hard and they relate. I'm coming cold, early AM, I'm not sleeping late. I catch the sun, I rumble with the beast. I'm coming for the chief, or whoever wants to fall. Watch the world, they think blacks falling off. I'm the one that switch it up and